So this is a familiar sight. We spoke to you last year, I believe, maybe the year before. Year before.
You didn't come and visit us last year.
No.
Very upset about that. Sorry.
Well, it's been 2 years, but you've expanded. It looks incredible. Back in Desi Dolls, but it's not just dolls now. You're doing so many different things.
So much more now.
And so you showed me this. This is well, you can tell us it's the first.
This is the iReath Quran pad, and I'll turn it on. It's the first colour LCD pad that helps children to learn to read the Quran from beginning. From the Arabic alphabet all the way to the vowels, and by the time they finish playing with this, they'll be reading the Quran.
Well, you see, I mean, I've had a bit of a play with it, and I'm terrible at learning languages, but I've definitely learned that that's ba, ba,
that's right.
Ba, ba. There we go, I've got that, I've got one.
Yeah. You've got one letter under the belt, 1 out of 28.
Oh, well, that's something. But it's such an impressive product as well. You say it's a world first as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You won't find a colour LCD screen with an Arabic alphabet pad with so much content, teaching so much, all the vowels and lots of words as well. You can see how clear the screen is.
Yeah.
And it's got long words as well there. Oh, you took the value.
There we go.
Learning with longer phrases.
It's so good. It's so ergonomic as well. You've clearly worked really hard to make this a good product.
It's been 2 years in the making, believe it or not. But I mean, there's a bit of a backstory to it. It's that the concept actually came to me 10 years ago, and I actually created a prototype which looks a lot like this one, but is not, but a bit more bulky. And it was just too expensive to kind of launch at that time, and so I kind of put it on the back burner.
Yeah.
And so fast forward 10 years, I thought, you know what, I've got to do this, and And
so you're way ahead of your time. You were ahead of technology.
I was, and it's just the way it plays out, and it was meant to be. This was meant to come out. Yeah.
Oh, absolutely fantastic. So from high tech, you've also got some new products that are not so high tech, but are still nice and physical to play with. You wanted to show us this. What is this one over here?
This is the Arabic alphabet playmats, the 5-in-1 activity gym.
Oh, okay.
It's got all these hanging toys. And you can see it's got a really lovely mirror there.
Hello.
Yes. You can check your hair.
Oh, good.
Looking good still. And it's a really nice mirror as well. Like, sometimes you find these mirrors are very kind of like funny mirrors, like the ones they find in the fun fair. You can't actually even make out what's what. We've got this lovely light and sound singing lion.
Oh, wow.
And it talks about all the animals on the mat. So you've got the lion, the tiger. You can hardly hear this one. And you've got a camel. You don't often find a camel on a playmat.
You know what? Right? That's fair. You don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're all like noisy toys.
Yeah, they've got a really nice feel to them as well.
Yeah, and this lovely black and white for the early years
I love it when
well.
It's crisp. I like the crisp.
Yeah.
Let's get a bit of that. Bit of that for the sound, guys.
So this is nice black and white for the early months when they're actually not seeing any colour. And the good thing is that this converts into a ball pit, so it comes complete with the balls.
Oh, wow.
Kids can play with the balls.
Oh,
and it can also flatten into a normal playmat as well.
That's incredible. So not only have you been busy designing new products, a little bird tells me that you're in Selfridges.
Yes, we are in Selfridges, and 2.5 years strong, I have to say. The sales have been strong. We've been very, very fortunate. A lot of the range that you see here, you can find in Selfridges. We've been very, very fortunate. Selfridges were looking to have more diversity in their range, and we slotted right in. All our toys are teaching children about the Islamic faith in a really fun and interactive way. I really believe that children learn best through play, so why not let them learn about their Islamic faith in a fun and interactive way? And that's exactly what our toys do, from the Arabic alphabet, the technology, wooden toys, bath toys, carry-along toys, on the buggy, that kind of thing, nighttime, bedtime toys. This is Sheepy the sheep. It's got a projector, It's got a little a Velcro strap to secure it to the side of the cot. You've got your white noise there, you've got your prayers, you've got the projector as well that you don't have to have on all the time, you can take that off. You've got songs as well, volume control, timer, you can time how long you want to have it on. And on top of that, when the baby cries, it's got a cry sensor. So when you leave this in the cot and the baby cries, it automatically, when it comes on, it will go shh. And it's really, really soothing.
Wow, what an incredible, so many different things.
Everything you could want in one, And the best thing, it's removable. You can wash Sheepy. You can recharge this. You can put that on the side table, and you're not left with a gaping hole. you can actually seal this up with the Velcro.
You've thought of everything with Sheepy.
I have thought of everything, I'm telling you, and you can cuddle that. There you go.
That's great. You really have thought of everything. That's superb.
Yeah, that is like, if you're going to buy a gift for someone's having a baby, that's the one you're going to
I love it. I mean, you're innovating and you're being successful as well. It's great to see you coming back as well to Spielwarenmesse year after year.
Every year. We have to be here. It's a great place to be. We meet so many people and we have those important conversations that you need to have when you want to grow.
Superb. Well, here's to next year.
I was going to say inshallah, which is what we say, God willing.
Inshallah, there we go.